But here's where it gets controversial. While Solana ETFs are thriving, the rise of cloud mining platforms like BJMINING is challenging traditional investment strategies. This is the part most people miss: how these new tools are reshaping the landscape of cryptocurrency profits. For instance, the Solana Staking ETF, SSK, has seen $13 million in inflows in a day, yet investors remain wary of the risks tied to market volatility. Meanwhile, BJMINING's cloud mining model offers a low-cost, automated alternative, but critics argue it may dilute returns or mask underlying risks. Solana's meteoric rise since August marks a shift in investor sentiment, driven by both policy support and market recovery. Yet, even as prices climb, technical indicators suggest the market remains cautious. For example, while Sol's price has surged 45%, its recent pullback highlights the delicate balance between growth and stability. This tension raises questions. Should investors prioritize high-yield ETFs or explore alternative methods like cloud mining? BJMINING, a UK-based cloud computing platform, claims to serve over 180 countries with 1.2 million mining machines, offering users a 24/7, low-cost solution. Its zero-hardware model eliminates the need for users to purchase mining equipment, but critics note that such platforms may not fully address the complexities of blockchain validation. For instance, while BJMINING promises transparent profit calculations, some investors question whether the platform's reliance on third-party miners undermines decentralization. The platform's core advantages include a free trial, no hardware costs, and multi-currency withdrawal support. However, its appeal hinges on trust in its security infrastructure, McAfee and Cloudflare protections, backed by AIG insurance, while some argue these measures are insufficient against sophisticated attacks. Additionally, BJMINING's referral reward system, which offers 3% for direct referrals and 2% for indirect ones, may incentivize participation, but could also create a cycle of dependency. Why now? The accelerated inflow of ETF funds has fueled market enthusiasm, but experts warn that this trend may lead to overvaluation. Meanwhile, Sol's price surge reflects broader optimism, yet technical analysts caution that sustained gains require consistent demand. For those seeking steady returns, BJMINING's automated model could offer a hands-off approach, but its long-term viability remains uncertain. In conclusion, as Solana's market dynamics evolve, the choice between ETFs and cloud mining becomes increasingly nuanced. For investors, the key lies in balancing risk, reward, and transparency. Whether BJMINING's model will outperform traditional strategies remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: the cryptocurrency space is rapidly adapting, offering new pathways to profitability. Sign up for BJMINING today and see how your investments can grow with minimal effort, without the hassle of managing hardware or waiting for returns. For more details, visit https://bjmining.com.